Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. How we doing? Today I'm going to show you how good these are going to be. I stuck these yesterday with Locktight, and you can see they're really solid. No problem there. That one's really good. I've got my zombie target lined up. I've got my mystic ball. So that one's stuck really well. That was missing one. Again, that was missing one. So you've got one there and some cheap Chinese ones on there. So I'm gonna have a go and see how good these work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rest the camera on here. Right. Excuse me. This is all a bit like right. So first we're gonna try the one completely stuck. Well, can't really miss from there. Second is that one. Third is that one. So, sorry, it's such a sunny day, I can't say nothing. So let's see how these fared up then. So, that one's fine. No, it's not coming away. That one's fine. Needs a little bit of extra glue on that. That's pretty solid. And that one, spot on. So yeah, I would say that's a complete success. Obviously, you know, it's a cheap way and it works as well. As I say, that's solid and that's solid. So, and the good thing about Locktight is it doesn't take like 2 days to dry, because the other stuff that you get is, I think the stuff is online $8.99. That's a lot of money. So, but that does. So yeah, I'm pleased with the flight and I'm pleased with everything else. So thanks for watching guys, and catch you later.